Hey everybody, this is Vinny with ExcelDistanceCalculators.com, home of some of the most interesting Excel tools out there. We've kind of been building logistics tools for the last 15-16 years, and today I'm really excited to showcase you one of kind of our latest tool, which is an old tool but with a new spin. So this is a distance calculator tool for Bing Maps, and Bing Maps recently overhauled their API setup. So if you have an old API key, please watch one of my other videos on how to set up the Bing API key. But this video kind of assumes you have a Bing Maps API key, and we're using that to calculate distances in Excel. So really, the tool should be as easy as that. We have a settings tab where we enter our Bing Map API key, and we have a place there where we can choose between miles, units. We can choose between kilometers and miles if you're in Europe or Canada, and we can choose whether to avoid or not toll roads. And on the basic tab, we really is as simple as entering our starting address and ending address. And once we do that, all we got to do is click on calculate, and what the tool will do is it will generate our distance in miles in this case, and the driving time in minutes. Keep in mind, the way that this tool does it is by going to the Bing, by querying the Bing API and generating those results directly into our spreadsheet. And it's pretty amazing. The tool is extremely flexible on the type of addresses that it needs, whether we want full addresses or zip codes or cities, and will generate the driving distance and the driving time and those units. And really, it should be as simple as that. Feel free to download the tool by clicking on the link in the description. And also my information will be there if I can assist you with any additional tools that will make your job and your business just a little bit easier. Thank you so much, and until next time.